Hi, my name is Patrick Vargo, Territory Sales Manager here at FSIP Electronics. I'm frequently asked about our remanufacturing and what we actually do here. The answer is simple.
Since 1968, our mission has been to provide our customers with high quality, reliable, and economic part solutions while delivering a best-in-class customer experience. I want to invite you to a behind-the-scenes look into our 140-person remanufacturing operation and show you why choosing remanufactured parts not only keeps your vehicles running, but is good for your bottom line. Let's get started. Let's take this Curtis control and follow it along its path through our remanufacturing process. It looks pretty rough to start, but let's see what we can do with it. The customer filled out the reman and return form, so let's get the order entered.
When entering our reman orders, our teams make sure all our customers' information is correct and will reach out to confirm any missing information. Looks like this customer requested Reman Extra, which is an enhanced warranty to cover travel and labor up to $200 if this control fails within its 1-year warranty. Just one of the additional services we can offer.
We got to see the product getting entered into the system. Now, let's see what modifications and bench testing is in store for this Curtis controller.
This is where the remanufacturing magic happens. We're taking these units through a comprehensive renewal process. We're not just repairing these controllers, we're performing a complete process that includes a full power-based rebuild and any required updates, upgrades, and modifications. Often, this applies to both hardware and software. Each of our products pass through a controlled test process. At the tech benches, our technicians are performing testing that confirms the functionality of the logic circuitry. They are validating that all inputs and outputs are operating correctly. This preliminary testing ensures that when the product reaches the full current load test, it is already built to perform. Come on over to our final assembly and automated test stands to see how we ensure that we're providing our customers with a reliable and high quality part. With our full current load test, our equipment accurately simulates the conditions of the vehicle and motor load that these controllers will be exposed to out in the field. The technician monitors current output and validates other measurements including controller temperature, accelerator response, voltage regulation, and more throughout the test. We are pushing this controller to its rated limits to ensure that regardless of the conditions it's exposed to, it will perform flawlessly. It looks like the technicians did a great job, and this control is fully functional and working as good as new. Now we're going to make sure this controller leaves looking as good as new as well. Our final assembly team will clean or replace the casing of the controller and relabel it with our FSIP certified remanufactured part label, giving you the confidence that your part has gone through rigorous testing and ensuring that your vehicles will be back up and running. Now that our part is ready to go, let's head back to shipping and get it packed up and on its way.
We've watched this Curtis controller go from unboxing and being entered into our system to the modifications and upgrades that our technicians performed at the bench. We saw it pass through our automated test stands and get cleaned and labeled before it heads out the door. Let's make sure we get this control properly packaged and headed back to our customer.
I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey with me. My goal was to provide you a better understanding of what goes into providing a high-quality remanufactured part.
Give us a call at 1-800-333-1194 or check us out at shop.fsip.biz. From all of us at FSIP Electronics, thank you for your business.